Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a compatible VPN on your PC or Quest, admin rights, and the latest Gorilla Tag build. Install and log into the VPN, then pick a nearby server to reduce latency. Lower ping matters for motion accuracy. Once done, enable the kill switch to prevent IP leaks and configure split tunneling so only the VR app uses the VPN. These early steps stop obvious leaks and set a stable network baseline before you launch the game. Next, configure the VPN for performance. Pick WireGuard or OpenVPN UDP to prioritize lower latency and consistent throughput. Make sure split tunneling explicitly includes Gorilla Tag or the headset's local IP, so traffic routes through the VPN while other apps stay local. Launch Gorilla Tag in a private lobby and watch your network stats. Packet loss and jitter must remain low. If you see spikes, switch servers or tweak MTU and protocol settings to smooth gameplay and prevent dysync during movement. To finish, confirm stability. Ping under 100 ms, packet loss close to 0, and minimal jitter. Once satisfied, save the VPN profile and reconnect automatically before future sessions. If performance drops mid-game, first switch to a nearer server or change protocol to UDP, then pause background apps and downloads. If you cannot connect or get blocked, temporarily disable the kill switch or whitelist Gorilla Tag in the firewall to identify the issue. Then re-enable protections once resolved to maintain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.